Welcome back, guys. So today we're diving down into the function of Lookup and Vlookup. Now let's take a look at the question that we have here. So let's take a look at question 1. What customer segment does Mohammed fall under using Vlookup? So here we are looking at two things: the customer name and the customer segment, as you can see. Let's dive right into business. We start with our equals to Vlookup, and now we are asked to click on our lookup value, which is Muhammad. The next thing we now have to look up is our table array. So right now we will highlight our entire table array. Now we are now asked to put our index column number. So how do we get our index column number? You can see we have the column A, B, C, D, and co. So that is how we are going to identify our column number, from which we count from column A spot to the customer segment which we are actually looking for, which is going to give us a 9. So our 9 is going to be an index number, and then we input false for an exact match and press enter. Now it gives us small business. So if you go to your row 5 to column I, you are going to see that we have it as matched as small business. Watch out for part 2.